Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to create a simple 3D object in Blender and import it into Armorpaint to PBR texture. So we are inside Blender and I'm going to use the default Susan monkey. To make it look better, I will add a subdivision surface, give it a value of 2, apply, and then also we will shade smooth. Okay, now what we want is we need to paint these eyes and this face separately. For that we have to add two different materials for these two, eyes and face, so that we can use that materials in the Armorpaint. First we go to this tab and create new. First one will be face. Eyes. Okay, now we need to assign these materials. You can island select using L key. Then assign eyes. You can select inverse using Ctrl I. Choose face and assign. Now the materials are assigned to these eyes and face. And let's simply export this and use it in the Armorpaint. So I will be exporting as OBJ format. File, export, OBJ, and selection only. Change the path. Okay, now we have our Susan object here. Let's start Armorpaint. Okay, this is our viewport, our PBR viewport. I will show you the basics of using Armorpaint if you are a beginner. So first of all, you can rotate around using the right mouse button, and you can zoom in using the scrolling button. Also, you can pan using the middle mouse button, pressing and holding the middle mouse button. Now to import the mesh, you can either go to meshes or you can directly drag and drop the object file. Now it's important you have to choose this split by option and select material. Import. Okay, now we have imported our scissor. And you can see here we have this shared option and we have these two materials, eyes and face. If you want to paint on the eyes, you can choose eyes, and you can see the rest of the surface is masked. Now choose color, maybe a blue, and you can see that I am painting only on the eyes. We'll choose the fill color option here. Okay, now I want to paint on the face. Create new material, choose a red color, fill color. Okay, now if you want to see both the materials at a time, go to here and click on shard. And now you can see that we have this beautiful PBR monkey with this shyness and this color, and you can see that we have our textures generated here. You can import textures by export textures. Choose what kind of texture you want. If you are making for a game like in the Unity engine, you can choose Unity, or you can use generic. And if you hit export, it will ask you path. Let's give a name, Susan. Save. It will take some time, and you can see that we have our materials exported. We have our diffuse, detail, normal, and occlusion, as well as roughness map. In our case, we only need these two materials, these two textures, roughness and diffuse. Since we are not using any normals or occlusion, that kind of stuff. So that's it for this tutorial. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will be posting new videos on Blender Unity, as well as Armorpaint, and many things related to indie game development.